Okay, so I just live streamed a haul for all the things I'm about to use. I'm about to decorate all these headbands. I have about 13 here. I had 16, but I set aside 3 that I liked on their own. But I got a pack of doubles, so there's also ones that I'm going to keep on their own that I'm also going to decorate, if that makes sense. And then I also got this big 1-pound bag of buttons, and there's different shapes and sizes and colors. My phone was dying as I was living that, so I thought I might record it on here. I don't really know where I'm going with this yet, but I have my hot glue gun warming up. I have my box filled to the brim with hot glue. There's like 60 in here, because I get those at the dollar store. There's some cool ones in here, but some of them are like really small, and so in order for them to be noticed amongst my hair, I gotta use some of the bigger ones, so I don't know. I think the first one I want to use, though, is this one. It's really pretty, like, indigo purpley flower. It's the first one that actually, like, really caught my eye. And I don't want to make any, like, I don't want to make some that are, like, specifically for this holiday, because I have a lot of things that are like for holidays, but I never even went on the holidays, so they just kind of sit there. So I feel like totally can't hear me as I'm like talking into this. I need to put a glue stick in the hot glue gun. There's only like half a stick in there right now. So I guess I'll figure out what headband I want to put this flower on. Because I didn't even think about the fact that I needed to match the beads to the headband. I'm gonna go with this gray, almost snake print headband. I don't know if hot glue is like the best adhesive for this kind of a project. I really hope my focus face isn't on camera. I like stick my tongue out. It's not a pretty sight. I mean, that's still very much wet. I don't know how the positioning of that is. I probably should have put it a little up here more, but that's okay. It's my first one. And actually, like, I kind of like it. I don't know. I kind of put it off-centered because it has, like, the sewing nub. Here, I'll put you is right there any better of, like, an angle to see what I'm doing. Here, move that out of the way. A little bit. Like, you can actually see the gluing process. Okay. So, I'm gonna say that one is done for now. And I'm actually going to make a seasonal, like, holiday one, because there's a red star and this red, white, and, or this navy blue and white headband. And I kind of want it to like extra secure it. I'm kind of like connecting it on the back. I don't know why my hot glue gun is making that noise. It's kind of annoying. So I've been kind of like putting hot glue on the back right there. Okay, so the positioning on this one's a little better. I actually like this one so far the most. Okay. Now to pick out the next one, put you in with all the beads. And I'll show you like all the different designs of headbands. There's like a green with polka dots, pink with polka dots, hot pink, blue with polka dots, a blue pattern, light blue with polka dots. So yeah, there's all those, and then all these beads. So let me know down below what combinations you would have made that I didn't. I like this one, but I don't have like, I don't really know. So there's like all these letters and like numbers and stuff. So I kind of want to fish all those out and see if there's anything I can make with it. So pineapple. Save that one. So it appears to be mostly numbers. I have an idea. Hold on. I will show you in a minute. Okay, so I think I grabbed everything. It mostly appears to be a lot of 4s, P's, and 8s. Okay, I have an idea. I don't know if this is like a P or a 9 or a 6, but I'm gonna do 16 so I have one to wear at my 16th birthday. And then I had found a Christmas tree and this reindeer, so I thought if I put them on this red base and then on the green headband, I could have like a Christmas headband. And then I also found this white star. I was thinking about maybe adding to this for like an extra added like thing. Yeah, I think I'm going to. But now I can't decide whether I want to just kind of like, ooh, I kind of like this. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Then I actually just added a little white star on the inside of this red star, and I like that. Okay. I'm trying to think of what headband would look good with my orange bead. Excuse me. Okay, So I'm trying to decide between these 4. So it's a blue with polka dots, a plain gray, a lighter like aqua with polka dots, and an aqua with like a design on it. I'm going to go with the aqua one with the design. Ta-da. That should be fine. Okay. Should have thought about that before I did that, but that's totally fine. So I think now I'm gonna just glue these to this red button. So let me figure out my positioning first. Okay. I really hope you can't hear my mom downstairs. Okay, and so glue strings. I hate glue strings. That's what it looks like. And then on the screen, or I'm gonna do this green just because I have an idea for like the lime green. Okay, so I'm positioning most of these to be worn against my bang, so that the design would be like right here. Okay, and then for my next idea, I want to take this like lime green one because it reminds me of a stem and put a bunch of flower ones on there. And actually do it like all across and not just like a design on one side. And all different like shapes and sizes of flowers. There's a handful right here. And this is going to be a lot of work, and I have a whole bunch more headbands to go. That's basically what I'm doing right now, so I thought that I would show you. So, guess I will see you next time. If you would like to see pictures of how all these headbands turned out, head over to Bailey_tube on Instagram. And if you really feel like checking out my socials, BaileyRob_26 at Twitter. Bye.